What is up, family? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. Y'all, I know it's been a long time, but your boy is back. We're gonna crank these videos out. We're gonna get this content. Your boy is he back. I will be sharing like my thought process and where I've been and why I haven't been recording as much. And it really isn't that deep. I just really haven't been motivated to do it a lot. I still watch my favorite YouTubers, trucker YouTubers and things like that. But I just really haven't been motivated to do it. But I'm getting back into the swing of it. And yeah, it's a lot that has been going on that I need to catch you guys up to speed with. Today is Monday. I am getting live loaded currently in Romeoville, Illinois. Not too far. I'm about 40 minutes away from home. So I left home from home time for the weekend, and we are heading to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. That is a 780-mile drive, 12 hours, and we're going to talk a little about this load, and I'll take you guys along, and we're going to update on what I've been up to and what we're doing and all that jazz. So if you care to watch and care to want to know what's been going on and what's up, stay tuned to this video. Let's jump in it. Let's do it. Alright, I guess I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit right now. Just got from outside and it's getting up there. It's probably 90 right now. Are y'all literally like making the parts and then putting them on the trailer? Like, what is going on? So, trying to utilize my time wisely. I unpacked everything I brought on the truck, got my clothes, made my bed, put my food in my cooler, and yeah, like I'm gonna vacuum the truck, but I was gonna do that later on because I don't want to vacuum it then. I just want to do it at the end of the day when I know, like, at the end of the day I'm not gonna be getting out, getting back in or whatever. But I don't know, y'all. Like, what's going on? This is Monday, and y'all know I do not like driving. I like to start my driving at 4, 5, 6 a.m. I don't like starting to drive at 2, 3, and like we got so many miles. I like to be shut down by 6 o'clock. And I just don't know what's going on. So we're just gonna sit here. Of course I'm getting detention. So that's cool, but this makes my day like drags my day out because this means that, like, I don't know, I don't want to be driving up until like 9, 10 o'clock, but we just might have to do that. But this load delivers at 12 o'clock tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know, we're gonna have to figure that out. I know which way I'm taking. I'm taking 55 and 44. That's how we're getting through. But I don't know, this is just uncalled for. And I'm not, like, I can see if y'all was putting food on here. This is not a reefer. Like, what's going on? I'm gonna check back in with you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys and we'll see what's happening. I promise y'all, they had to be back there making the parts as they went. I just got the okay. Here, someone comes out and they'll let you know when they're done. So we're gonna pull up and go get our bills, and then we should be on our way. But why did that take 4.5 hours? We're gonna go back in and see what's in there. All right, so judging from where my drive's weight is, as you see, it's 43, 44. And that is with the tandems all the way to the back. So like I said, I think it's only 10,000, no more than 10, 11,000. I'm like, what could have they been doing back there for 4.5 hours? I literally think they were back there making the parts as they went. We're gonna go back there. Let's close these doors. load lock won't help none of that. That's interesting. Why did they? Well, yeah. All that for that. Yeah, I messed up on how much it weighed. It's 15,008. 15,008. I still feel like they were making the parts as they went, and then they had to make them QC, then load them up. Alright, family, I think we're done for the day because I'm tired. We started with 780 miles and we started with 750 miles, and now we're down to 422. I think I'm gonna shut it down and we're gonna run that for the night. Run that in the morning. I'm doing a split, so I don't have to do a 10. I'm gonna do 7. If I do 7 hours, that'll get me like 2 a.m. We'll see if we're gonna pull out at 2, but we can pull out at 3 because we only have 6 hours and 35 minutes left, and I'd rather get there early as possible. So hopefully I can get in there and get out. The appointment is not till 12, so if I pull out at 3, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, no, maybe I'll pull out at 4. Pull out at 4, because that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, and probably around 3. I'll get up around 3:30. Okay, I get up at 3:15, and then we'll see how that works. I'm just tired. One thing about me, like, I don't mind driving, but when you got to do a live, like, I would literally was there at that live load for 5 hours, and that just messed me up. Like, that zaps my energy, because one moment you keep getting up thinking like, okay, are they done? I went back there to see if I was still hooked up, and still was hooked up, and all of that. So enough of all this talking. I'm about to post trip, check the truck, eat something, and lay it down. I'll get back with you guys in the morning.